Hey guys, what's happening? How to check Incognito history in Google Chrome. Incognito history in Chrome is designed not to be saved, right? So if you want to access Incognitos, just hit that page icon at the bottom right. Right here you can see number 1 next to the plus button. And you're going to see at the top, before you hit the plus button, you're going to see like an Incognito logo at the top left. So go ahead and switch to a new Incognito mode. Let's say I'm searching for health. Health. Okay. You can see that I can access the search by seeing the last result here. You can see the history here, right? But you can also access the Incognito history via DNS cache before clearing, route logs, or parental control apps. And Android, check chrome .//net _internals / DNS before clearing or closing Chrome can show visited site. While on Windows, ARP/A in command prompt can show network activity. But in our case, we can just access it directly here via the search history, right? Even if we switched to our main page and we went back to the Incognito, you can see that your history is still saved. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.